I'm Cam from Flaming Coals and Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and I'm here to answer some really common questions we get asked all the time here. So, the first of the most common questions we get asked is, how do I light my charcoal? Now, the most preferred method I like using, and most people like using, is the charcoal starter one by Flaming Coals. Now, generally what we do is put it on its first setting, into the charcoal, 3 to 5 minutes later, charcoal's lit, we slowly pull it out, put it on the second fan force setting to really get that fire ramped up and get us grilling in no time. So under 10 minutes, you've got your barbecue ready to go. Now the more traditional method and what most people are used to is the charcoal chimney. Now the charcoal chimney uses accelerants, so things like paraffin wax or those little jiffy lighters. Now they are full of chemicals, so you've got to keep in mind that that's going to smell. You can use natural burn fire lighters, but I do like to use the charcoal starter one just for ease and convenience. For more tips, make sure you download our recipe guide, and thank you for watching.